In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to successfully start dropshipping from Walmart to eBay. This method can be a great way to earn some extra income or even build a full-time business if done correctly. So let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to set up your eBay seller account. If you don't have an account yet, head over to ebay.com to get started. Setting up your seller account is fairly straightforward. You'll just need to follow the prompts to create your profile. Don't forget to complete your payment setup, as this is how you'll receive money from any sales. This process ensures that you're ready to hit the ground running as soon as you list your first item. Once your eBay account is ready, it's time to do some homework on Walmart. Begin by visiting walmart.com. Your goal here is to find products that have excellent reviews, competitive pricing, and reliable shipping options. It's crucial to choose items that people actually want to buy, so take a moment to ensure these products are in demand by checking for similar listings on eBay. This research not only guides your product selection, but also increases the likelihood of a successful sale. With your chosen products in mind, you can now move on to listing them on eBay. When creating a new listing, use the product details and images straight from Walmart, but remember to rewrite the descriptions to make them unique to your listing. This helps in distinguishing your offerings and can improve searchability. Set your prices carefully to include a profit margin while also considering the shipping costs. It's a balancing act, but with some tweaking, you'll find the sweet spot. Be sure to place your product in the appropriate category and sprinkle in some relevant keywords to enhance its visibility in eBay search results. Now you're ready to manage the orders that come in. When a customer makes a purchase from your eBay store, hop over to Walmart, order the product, and be sure to enter your customer's shipping address during checkout. Keep a close eye on order and shipping information throughout this process, as staying organized is vital to maintaining smooth operations and a good reputation. Providing excellent customer service is key. Be sure to respond promptly to any buyer inquiries. Customers value swift communication and addressing their questions or concerns effectively. If issues arise or returns are needed, coordinate with Walmart's return policy to resolve these situations smoothly. Finally, the last piece of this puzzle is to regularly monitor and optimize your process. Keep track of which products are selling well and use sales data alongside customer feedback to adjust pricing and refine your listings. This ongoing optimization helps you stay competitive in the market. As you learn and grow, you can gradually expand your product selection, thereby increasing your potential earnings. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to beginning your dropshipping journey from Walmart to eBay. Take your time with each step, and before long,